This week on Entertainment Recap, the madness continues. Lawyer for lawyer, Miss Kitty 1-1 Can saga, Popcorn feels targeted by St. Thomas Police. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. The battle after one date continues between media personality Kadeen Miss Kitty Hilton and dancehall artist 1-1 Can.
Miss Kitty pretty and she bright and she witty. Fluffy cut size, now she right fi be with me.
Dancehall reggae artist 1-1 Can has retained the service of attorney at law Christopher Townsend in the wake of the threat of a lawsuit by Kadeen Miss Kitty Hilton legal representatives. 1-1 Can was forced to retain legal representation when Wilkinson Law, Miss Kitty's attorneys, sought to rebuke the singer, accused him of seeking to advance his promotion agenda for his new song titled VIP Girl, and threatened him with legal action. Attorneys Wilkinson Law, in a stern letter of rebuke addressed to 1-1 Can, reprimanded him for his recent statement, which they said was a ploy to get people to listen to his new song, using Miss Kitty's name and image as a clickbait. Dancehall artist Popcorn has responded to news circulating that he's being prosecuted for multiple breaches under the Road Traffic Act.
If you can get me out, you know me blessed, so me say it loud.
These breaches included driving an unlicensed motorcycle, driving without insurance coverage, having no valid certificate of fitness, having no registration plate affixed, driving without a helmet, driving with no side view mirror, and failing to produce a driver's license. I will leave this Popcorn. He used to appear before the Yallah's Traffic Court on June 3rd, 2021. Popcorn believes he's being targeted by the St. Thomas Police, and because of this, he says he will be avoiding his native parish. Not even feel like me I keep unruly face at St. Thomas again. Why am I being targeted by St. Thomas Police? In every move I make, me really tired of Uno, and me I go just breathe St. Thomas for my own good. Hope my people will see things from my side. Peace and love, he tweeted. American rapper and record executive Jay-Z says he wants people to remember him the way they memorialize Jamaica. Like me and who came from the same situation that I've come from. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange, has encouraged Jamaicans to write and publish their own stories. Speaking during a virtual celebration of World Book and Copyright Day 2021 on Friday, April 23rd, the Honorable Olivia Grange said it is important to write and to tell our stories from our unique perspectives. She continued to state that our songwriters are lyricists and many of our musicians are composers, and our visual artists are storytellers. You, too, can publish books. The minister encouraged writers to make use of the provision of the Copyright Act and other services through Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, JIPO, Jamaica Copyright Licensing Agency, JAMCOPY, Jamaica Association of Composers, Authors and Publishers Limited, JCAP, Jamaica Music Society, JAMS, and the National Library of Jamaica, NLJ, to protect and promote their works. This week's new music comes from Vibes with Every Hustler and Damien Jr. Gong Marley with Life is a Circle. Take a look.
Life is a circle, goes round and round. Oh, mine's not a circus, I'm not your clown. Some people with us, some with their frown. Still I know my purpose is to share what we found. Some people insist to wear others down.
Gimmicks of the day. L.A. Lewis reminisce on time spent in prison with Vybz Kartel. I know, many will say it's Photoshop. Take a look. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Just remember, always and forever, of course, big up you!